another video. Today in this video I'm doing more oils and yeah, so let's get to that. I first of all just need to tell you I just came outside, so if I'm like my hair's a mess, it's because of that, but I really don't care. And if it's not down, that's also right. Like, you know, I usually have my hair down, but I don't right now. So yeah, I'm going to do a video, and I dared myself for the whole video to do a voice like this. I don't know what accent I'm doing, but it sounds like British and Australian mixed together, I think. I'm not sure though. But yeah, let's move on to the video. Ice pearls. Okay, so let's go put some water in this. So it's got a little too much. That's fine though. I am not adding food coloring because I'm going to see what happens when you don't add food coloring. So I'll be back with the video in a minute. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change the container, but I'm going to change it, like, not right now. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to change it. But I have this container that, like, this container is orange. When it's in the freezer and it gets cold, it'll change to pink. So don't worry if you see that it's pink, because when it's cold it is pink and it doesn't change to orange till it goes in the dishwasher or something like that. So yeah, let's move on now. Let's go put this in the freezer. I realized it's actually an hour and 38 minutes. It's better like that. It makes it a lot better. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. It has been an hour and 30 minutes and I think it did work, but I'm not too sure. But it did change pink. That's why I really like this container a lot. So I have another container that's just normal pink, but I only use that sometimes, not all the time. I mostly use this one because it's mostly fun to use. So right now I'm just trying to get it out. Oh my gosh, I hate this style that I did. It's like not even funny right now. Like, it's so hard to speak normally. Like, I can't speak normally now. I did this there. It's going to be pretty weird and what's not. Oh my gosh, it's not even coming out. But I can tell that it worked a lot. If I could just get it out, I would. Man, it's not coming out. Man, I almost got it. Come on, I'm wasting all of the water that's inside of it. I finally did it. Okay guys, so it doesn't work too well as it does normally, but at least I actually got to drink some water that time. But earlier when I was not doing a video, I did another one on this. I was not doing a video, sadly, but it turned out how it's supposed to turn out, but... very hard to eat. It's not easy to eat it. Well, this has been fun, but sadly I can't get this open, so let's start breaking it down. Let's get oh my gosh, that just slid on its own like that. That was weird. Okay, let me just get like a spoon. Here we go. There we go. I did it. Did it, guys. Oh, some more. No, it wasn't a good ASMR, but I've tried. It's not thin, it's thick. It tastes very, very, very good. So what did you guys think of this ASMR? Oh no, I almost spoke unreal. Like, yeah. I may do a challenge in every single video. I have to do something in the video. Yeah, I think that would be fun. But I'm not sure. You guys let me down in the comment down below. If I dare myself how to speak in the video, like what voice I should do and stuff. Okay, so that's almost all done. Okay, that was amazingly good and yummy, but I'm not done. Come on, just to start hot. Oh, now I'm all done. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Check the description down below And till next time, peace out and goodbye. See you back on my next video, which is going to be right after this one. And I am going to do another challenge. Yay!